Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a sparkly smoky eye. So let's get it started. So to create my base, I'm actually using my Tarte gel liner. And I'm using a concealer brush to apply it on my lid. And before it dries down, I'm gonna blend the edges. And don't worry if it's not completely blended, because we're gonna apply some darker shadows to get rid of this line over here. Now I'm gonna use my Urban Decay Moon Dust palette. I'm actually using this color right here, and I'm gonna use my fingers and apply it on the black base. Now I'm using a dark brown, like kind of an ashy dark brown shade from my Morphe 3502 palette, and it's actually gonna be this color right here. And I'm using this color to blend out the edges of the black base. And I'm using a clean fluffy brush and make sure all the edges are blended. And now I'm using this Galaxy color, and I'm gonna apply it on the middle of my lid. Now going back to this palette and using this green shade, and this time I'm gonna focus more on the center, like a very small line in the center here. Now I'm using this shade right here to highlight my inner corners and brow bone. For my lower lash line, I'm using this brown shade right here. And now I'm using a bigger brush to blend it. I'm actually gonna apply a little black eyeshadow from my Morphe palette, and I'm gonna focus on the outer corners only. Now I'm using the same black gel liner for my waterline. And now I'm gonna apply some mascara. And I'm actually not gonna use any false lashes for this look because I want my eyeshadow to pop and I don't want my false lashes to block the view of my eyeshadow somehow. Alright, now eyes are done. I'm actually gonna apply some lip gloss. It's from Chanel number 297. Okay, that is it for this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments if you guys like this kind of videos or you like more of a natural looks. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys on my next video.